Mamelodi Sundowns are at it again. They have triggered a buyout clause for Iqraam Rayners. Yeah, he was one of the best players last season for Stellenbosch. Yeah, he was second on a top goal scoring chart in the DStv Premiership, just behind Tshegofatso Mabasa, who won the Golden Boot. Yeah, so there's a rumor that the buyout clause was upwards of 10 million. So yeah, reports are saying that it's a 15 million rand buyout clause. Yeah, because Mamelodi Sundowns and Stellenbosch, they had few discussions where they rejected few offers from Mamelodi Sundowns for Iqraam Rayners. That is why Mamelodi Sundowns decided just to trigger the buyout clause. So yeah, now that the buyout clause has been triggered, personal terms are being discussed between Mamelodi Sundowns and Iqraam Rayners. So yeah, Iqraam Rayners is soon going to be a Mamelodi Sundowns player. Yeah, maybe it's the kind of striker that they need that is different from Shalulile, that will bring a different dynamic to the team. Yeah, and remember, Iqraam Rayners once went to SuperSport United 2 years ago, but yeah, he struggled a lot at SuperSport United. So yeah, hopefully this time everything will go well. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this move by Mamelodi Sundowns to buy Iqraam Rayners from Stellenbosch FC? Do you think that they do need him? Yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this transfer? Yeah, definitely Sundowns, they are building a super team. They are not just talking.